Discover this serene 3-bed 3-bath mountain home sits on 100 plus acres of picturesque land in Virginia. This fully renovated farmhouse offers a perfect blend of vintage charm and modern comfort. With nearly half a mile of frontage along Koger Creek and over 1.5 miles of established trails, this land is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. The property features a mix of mature hardwoods, wildlife, and scenic views, making it an ideal setup for a homestead, hunting camp, or weekend getaway. With multiple built sites and exciting fencing, these possibilities are endless. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.